London Locks are London's most cost-effective locksmith. We pride ourselves on providing a premier service for alarms, window locks, door closers, key cutting, door entry systems, burglary repairs and more. We also run a 24-hour emergency locksmith service and are on call 365 days of the year. We have offices across London, so you can be sure we have a local locksmith near you when you need us most. We strive to keep our costs as low as possible so you pay less. The price we quote you is the price you pay. There are never any hidden costs and no lock we can't manage. Call us now on 0208 980 4091